Hello and welcome. I am so blessed to be here with you again today. And on this wonderful day, we are going to be giving you a training. And this is very good and it is prosperous and it will help you to use the tools that you have right now at your disposal to start to grow and learn and create the business that you need. So do not scroll by and stop and take a look at this. And if you can, watch this video to the end. So we're going to just focus a little bit here on, like I said, things that you have right in front of you that maybe you don't realize that you can use these to grow and to prosper your business and your lifestyle. Number one is social media. Hello. When you use your social media contacts that you have, that people follow you, they like you, they're on your friends list, these are contacts. And these are people that you can communicate with and send messages to if you're using, even if you're using ManyChat, get them on your ManyChat, and it will definitely grow your business. Because these are people that are targeted to you. They already know, like, and trust you because they're on your list, right? They're following you. They're on your friends list. So if by any chance you are not utilizing this gold mine you have at your fingertips that's free, then you dropped the ball. So let's pick that ball up right now and let's see what we can do to help you to go forward with this. Now, where social media marketing, you want to ensure that you are not spamming. And spamming is when you have a link and you're just dropping it everywhere without any real content involved with it. If you are going to drop a link, you want to have some value content with it. Have a good post, have maybe a video attached with that link that is going to give value, that is going to take people to the link that is in conjunction with what you are promoting. If you just have a link and you have a picture out there, or you're talking about something that doesn't go with that, then you're most likely going to be hit as a spammer. So you don't want to do that, because Facebook has a way of blocking people. Even on Twitter, I'm starting to see a little bit of activity with that. And for Instagram, the only link you get to have is in your profile. But I have seen a lot of different ways to put a link out, even on Instagram, in with your pictures and different art you have going on. There's a way to put a link out in that, which is not as noticeable. And so there's ways around these things. So, but as you're using your social media, this is a platform where you have all of this free content. And when you're using your attraction marketing skills, and yes, I do mean skills, because as you are a marketer, I'm trying to get my microphone here to be happy. So, but as you're using your attraction marketing skills, and these are skills that I've been talking about over very seriously for about 1.5 years now, just trying to get more and more people educated on the benefits of using attraction marketing versus regular marketing. But when you're using, I should say in conjunction with you using your social media contacts, then you are going to grow a more profitable client base. And with your autoresponder, you can get these people to sign up for something that you're promoting or that you're advertising, or maybe you just want to put them on your newsletter. So that is another good way. Just get people on your newsletter and you have another contact that you can freely send messages to, right? And this is all geared with social media. You can use all these contacts that you get, because Facebook allows you to have 5,000 people that are friends with you on Facebook. So that's 5,000 people you can put on your list that you can promote to, you can sell to, because these are people that want to be there. Now, you may want to go through your list periodically. You don't have to do it every day or anything, and take off the people that maybe they don't open your posts, they don't comment on your posts, and people that don't respond to anything you're posting out there, because these are not people that are actually beneficial to your business. And it's okay to have maybe a separate Facebook page for friends and just family, just people that you know in your family, and that way you can put different things out there. But if you're going to use your business page to promote your business, then you definitely want to take a look at what clientele you have on there, because it's very important. So the more you go through and the more you look at this, the better it's going to be for you and for your business. And this post here or this video, I should say, is all about helping you to get past those little hurdles and to use this stuff that is right here in front of us to draw your business, to grow it, to attract to it, to attract to you. You can't go wrong when you do this. And I learned from my mentor, and one of my mentors is Diane Hochman. You've probably heard of her. She's all over Facebook right now. She's doing a lot of great things, and she's actually one of the pioneers of attraction marketing. And she is one that I've learned a lot from. So in the past year, I have really promoted my business from attraction marketing, and also from the fact that I've learned how to use the tools that are right in front of my face that I did not see before. But now I can see that I have all these free tools. I have social media, and I am on every platform, and I'm on every platform for my business. I don't really promote too much about myself because that's not my focus. So get a focus, get what you really truly about. And if you're more of a family person, you're home with kids and things like that, that's definitely something you want to promote. You want to show that side of you, because you will attract those people that are in that market with you. So that would be, stay-at-home moms and, people that are home with their children. And if that's you, then definitely promote that. So, but if you're not using your social media platforms to grow your business and to use attraction marketing in the form that it is created, to use it to grow you, to be prosperous, and to be credible. When you're credible, you learn to only give out true facts and to only give out good training that has been tried and tested, and you know it works because you've tried it, or you know people that have tried it, and it works, it works, it works. Do not put out anything and do not promote anything that is sketchy, that is not a credible item or option or opportunity for anybody, because that will only get you to the point where you won't be known, you won't be liked and trust. You can't trust someone who has a reputation for not giving out the best content possible, right? I mean, think about it. If you think back in your time that you've been working your business, or whatever you've been doing, and you've noticed people that they're not real credible, and maybe they're just in groups and they're just putting out all kinds of far-fetched things. They guarantee you're going to make X number of dollars in X number of time. Not possible. For the simple fact, and keep this in mind, the simple fact that every person out there is going to market their business in a different way, with a different mindset, with a different gung-ho, I'm going to get this done, this is my goal, I'm going to make it, this is going to happen, there's no way it's not. Not everyone has that. So if someone out there, and you're watching this as you're looking at your social media contacts, you don't really want to associate with that platform, because you want to be more of a credible attraction marketer. You want to be as tried and true to yourself and to your following as you can be. And I say this from the heart because it means so much when you can actually reach out and talk to someone who is going to give you honest feedback. You want honest people to talk to. And granted, sometimes we say something and maybe it's not all that way, or maybe it's a different way and we messed it up. That's fine. If that happens, just go back and correct it. Just say, you know what? I misspoke on that. It was actually this way and not that way. So we're human. We're all going to make boo-boos. We're all going to make blunders. We're human. It's just a fact. But you don't want to surround yourself with the people in your contacts that are not who you want to be around. And those people, if block them, take them off, whatever you choose to do, or put them on a different platform. I don't know if you can do that. Let me check on that one and see if that one's possible for Facebook, if you can do that or not. I will check on that one. I'm not positive on that. But still, hold on. We have so much going on here. My system is being glitchy this morning, peoples. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's doing it. Oh, well. So as you're building your business, as you're building your contacts, I mean, social media is free, at least for now anyway. It's free. So use the systems that are right there in front of you. Because like I said, in the beginning, I did not utilize my contacts and I didn't pay attention to them. So when I finally got the concept of, well, these are all people that are liking me and following me, so maybe I should take a closer look and see what's going on. And then I realized that some of these people were already on my AWeber list, my autoresponder. So then I got the bright idea. Other people already thought about it, but when I got the bright idea that, wow, this is free leads. This is free people. Excuse me. Okay. This is free people for me to talk to. So when I realized this and I started being more selective, and I need to go back and clean it up again because it's been a few months and I'm sure I've got some more stuff on there, more people on there that need to be cleaned up. It's just normal. It's just totally normal. So be selective on who you're putting into your social media contacts. Surround yourself with people that are credible, they're knowledgeable, and also people that are giving and caring and just willing to share their content and share their training and to learn more about what you're doing and what they're doing. And the more people that will give information freely, no, not all of us are going to give all of our secrets away. We're going to give pieces here and there. We're not just going to go out and tell you every secret we've got that we use in business, because we want to keep something for ourselves, right? You guys can agree with that. But in the interim, as you are, and there's that word but again, that holds you back. But in this context, it's going to take you forward, because I'm going to tell you not to do the bad stuff. I'm telling you to do the good stuff. So take a look at what you're doing now and what your contact list looks like. And use your attraction marketing skills. I say skills because I've been teaching this going on here for about 8 months on attraction marketing. And I've had several people coming back and doing private coachings and whatnot with attraction marketing, that's what it's supposed to be. So don't throw out your spam, because we don't want you spamming out there. But you can do it in a way that will not be spammy. You could use anyimage.io, and you could it puts a bar at the bottom of your photo, of your video, or whatever you're doing. And that's an easier way to promote. But be careful what you're doing there, and be sure you check your contact list carefully and the people that are following you. Now, you want to have followers because you want more and more people looking at you. So keep in mind that the people that are looking at you, you want them to be focused on your business. because that's what it's about. You want to stay focused on what your goals are and what you want to create. And when you do that, when you keep that focus on your goals, I don't mean be a stick in the mud and don't be happy and don't be, commenting on different fun things or whatever. That's all good and dandy. That's all fine. But this is all about getting your business on track and taking care of your social media contacts. These are free leads, people. They're free. I could pay $500 for a campaign and maybe not get 5,000 or 500 or 100 quality prospects out of the whole thing. It's just, the way it goes. So, but this is free, people, free. So be selective on who you friend in your business. And I prefer to usually friend people that are already friends with people on my group or on my social network, on my business network. Sorry, I misspoke there. So take a closer look at what you're doing there and how you're doing it, because every little tidbit I give you on here and that I do every morning is a step, and it is a system that I myself and so many more in my community are using. So I'm not going to give you anything that does not work. Put it that way. So for every video you watch, you get gold nuggets, so to speak, which that is the intent, right? Okay, guys, I'm going to call this a day. So take a look at your contacts and all of your social media platforms, and be sure you're not spamming, because you don't want to have any spamming going on. And you might want to distance yourself or try to train someone or teach someone that is spamming a lot in the groups, and just, ask them, would you like to know how to put your promotion out there without selling, just promoting, using your words, right? Okay, guys, I will chat with you later, and you guys have a super blessed day. Thank you so much for joining me.